guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with lashes. I'm going to be trying lashes for the first time in this video. The lashes that are featured in this video are KoKo lashes in the style Goddess. So I'm going to be trying lashes and hopefully it all works out. I've watched a lot of tutorials as to how you can put on lashes, and the first thing I always mention is that you need to measure the lashes along your eyes. So I measured them and they looked okay to me. I mean, I kind of feel funny on the eyes, but I still believe that they looked fine. I was very unsure of what to do, and I know most of them actually say you are to cut a little bit off of the ends. So that's what I did. Even though it looked completely fine on my eyes, I decided to cut it because I didn't want it to look droopy. I know that if it is too long, it will make the eye look droopy. So the lash glue that I'm using, I believe it's called Lash Grip by Ardell, and I didn't know that it would just a little squeeze would have really take out so much glue. So the glue almost spilled on me, and now I'm using the tweezers, and since I put the glue on the eyelash carton, I'm using the tweezer to guide the lash and put the glue on it. I don't remember where I saw this hack, but I believe it's a very good hack and I really wanted to give it a try. I really do believe that lashes give the overall makeup look a little bit more depth, and it makes the makeup look stand out a little bit more. So this is something I really wanted to master. So I'm doing the same technique to the other lash, and I'm gonna put down the lash to dry. Now what I find with this glue is that it takes a little bit longer to dry, and it was very messy to do. So I tried my best to put the lashes to as close to my natural lashes as possible. I found that even though I put mascara on my own personal lashes, it was still very hard to try and put on the lashes without them interfering with my natural lashes. So that was a little bit hard for me to do, and I found that the glue, it wasn't drying after 30 seconds like what is said on the directions. It was actually taking me a little bit longer for it to dry. So I realized that I have to, when I actually see the glue looking a little bit clear, that is when I have to put on the lashes on my eye. So I can't wait the 30 seconds that they say I should wait, because it will not be dry. I also found another technique where people are using hair glue, and I'm gonna try out that one because I know hair glue dries a little bit faster, even though it's not recommended. I mean, you try these things at your own risk, right? So I messed up the first one. It wasn't going on properly. It wasn't as close to my eye as I thought it was, and I was really struggling with it. So I decided to try the other eye, and it was the same thing. This was my left eye, and it really gave me a warm time to put on the lash. Like seriously, I did not know what to do, and I didn't want it to dry before I actually put the lashes on my eye. So I mean, I tried my best to get it as close to the lash line as possible. I tried working with the tools, the tweezers, and I tried working with my hands, and I just was not getting it. And even though I wasn't getting it, when I took off the lash, I realized that it took some of my eyeliner off, so that was very annoying. So even though I wasn't getting it, I really decided that I wanted to try and try and try again until I got it. All I can say about this lashes thing is that practice really makes perfect. And if you really want to get good at this technique, you have to practice, practice, practice. There's nothing more I can really say about it. It's just like when you're trying to do a winged eyeliner. You really have to practice until it becomes perfect. I put on the first lash and I believe that it went on good. So I went to the other eyelash, and as you can see, the glue is all over the place still, but I wasn't going to give up. I tried my very best, my utmost best to try and get this eyelash on properly and as close to the lash line as possible. What I really hated though, I didn't want the eyelash band to really show, because I wanted these lashes to look as natural as possible, but I found out the eyelash band will always show because these are fake lashes. So I feel as if at this point I had put on the lashes to the best of my ability, and they were actually on there sturdy and they felt good on my eyes. I am scrunching in my real lashes with the fake ones so that there is no distinction there. And I also had to go and put a little bit more eyeliner on because I felt as if the lashes took some of my eyeliner off again. So I had to do that to try and blend in everything seamlessly. So yeah, that's basically it. I did the best that I could, and I believe that they look nice. I mean, this is my first attempt really, and I think they came out good. They are a little bit heavy on the eyes, so I really have to get used to that. But other than that, I really like the fluttery effect that they give my eyes. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you didn't, leave a thumbs down. Let me know what I'm going, you know the thing set already. And as always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.